Everyone, welcome back to our channel TSD IT Tutorial, and today I'm going to explain you what is research paper. So before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's get started. So, what is research paper? A research paper is a comprehensive academic document that presents the finding of a study or investigation on a particular topic. Researchers or students pursuing higher education and is a common requirement in academic setting. The purpose of a research paper is to contribute new knowledge, insights, or perspectives to a specific field of study. In other words, we can say a research paper is like a detailed report that shares the result of a study or research on a specific subject. Usually, it's written by scholars, researchers, or students, as I mentioned below, and who are in higher education. Okay, in academic, writing a research paper is a common task, I think. And the main goal of research paper is to add something new to what we already know about a particular area of study, and it include be new information, fresh ideas, or different way of looking at things. Okay, so let's go to our second slide. And so here are some components that are included in research paper, in which the first is title. So a title, a concise and descriptive title that reflects the main focus of the research. Okay, in easy words, we can say a short and clear title that accurately summarizes the primary focus of the research. Okay, and the title of a research paper should be brief and clearly convey the main subject of the study. It serves as a concise and descriptive label that provides leaders with an immediate understanding of which the research is about. A well crafted title captures the essence of the investigation, making it easier for others to grasp the central theme or focus of the paper without delving into the details. Initially, Essentially, it acts as a snapshot of the research, offering a quick glimpse into the key topic or question being explored. The second component is abstract. Our abstract should be a brief summary of the paper outlining the research question, methodology, results, and conclusion. And the abstract is a short summary of the research paper, giving a quick overview of key elements such as the research questions, how the study was conducted, the results obtained, and the conclusion drawn. It serves as a snapshot, allowing readers to grab the essential aspects of the paper without delving into the full content. In essence, the abstract provides a concise preview of what the research entails and its significant findings. Okay, and so our third component is introduction. The introduction part should be like who presents the background of the study and the research question or hypothesis and the objective of the research also. We can say the introduction of a research paper should be a brief background about the topic, introduce the main research question or hypothesis, and outlines the goal of the study. It provide it should provide readers with context and explain what the research aims to investigate and highlight the objectives that the study intends to achieve. Essentially, the introduction serves as a roadmap guiding the reader through the purpose and the focus of the research. Got it? So, let's discuss fourth point, literature review. A literature review should be a review of existing research and literature related to the topic to provide context and demonstrate the gap the current study aims to fill. Okay. So, the literature review is like a summary of what others have already researched and written about the topic. It helps to provide background information and context for the current study by looking at what's already out there. The review points out any gaps or missing pieces in the existing knowledge, showing why the new research is needed. In simple terms, it's like checking what others have said before starting your own investigation so you know what's known needs to be discovered. Okay. And our fifth component is methodology. Methodology, we can say, details the methods and procedures used to conduct the research, including data collecting and analysis. So in methodology section explains how the research was done. It provides the nitty-gritty details about the methods and procedures used, like how data was collected and analyzed. Essentially, it's a guide that tells others exactly how the study was carried out and making it clear and transparent for anyone who wants to understand or replicate the research. Okay, and along with it, there are some other components like result, discussion, conclusion, references. So I have covered all this topic in the next video. You can go and watch it. See you in next video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support means the world and I can't wait to catch you in the next one. Till then, keep researching and keep exploring. Thank you.